Welcome to the video preview of Kundera, a polyglot object mapper. One of the major challenges in NoSQL world is the learning curve involved to start using a NoSQL data store. Another challenge is faced in making a choice from multiple types of data stores available in the ecosystem. Also, there are some complex applications which might require using multitude of data stores in it with no single solution available. And this is where Kundera comes into picture. Let's understand this via an example of a social networking system which would consist of a user information system, maintain user session data, which would track user activities and allow its viewing to. It would also allow online data streaming, maintain web advertisement data, and perform analytics over the accumulated data. Looking at all the requirements that a single system can have, it is difficult to choose any one NoSQL or a SQL data store to meet them all. One of the solutions can be to design the system in such a manner that different modules' data can be stored in a different data store. That is, making a hybrid design, a polyglot system, where you can choose the most suited data to go in the required data store. For example, columnar data store, Cassandra or HBase can be used for online streaming. User information can continue to remain in RDBMS. User sessions which need frequent access can be maintained in key-value cache-like data stores, Redis. Website advertisement data, which might contain pictures and several other associated documents, can go in any document-oriented data store like MongoDB or Couchbase. Similarly, user activities which need to be maintained in connection with users can be persisted in Neo4j for easier retrieval. Nevertheless, if you want to perform any analytics over the data accumulated, you may choose to use Hadoop or Spark. So in order to create a system that can use all these NoSQL data stores at once, can be developed at a fast pace and still be an optimized solution, there are several challenges that need to be addressed. For example, you need to learn the new APIs for each NoSQL data store to use in your system, which may lead to an overall increase in the development cost of a project. Again, in order to have index space retrieval from the data over NoSQL data stores, you need to create those secondary indexes which might not be supported by all the NoSQL data stores. Again, choosing a data as per your module requirement is another challenge that is faced. Additionally, you have to make sure that all the operations that are performed in the system are actually ensuring atomicity. Last but not the least, what if there was an existing application running on a particular data store and it needs to be migrated over a NoSQL data store? So here is Kundera, a one-stop solution to address all the issues, all the challenges. It is a JPA 2.1 compliant polyglot object mapper library. It supports 7 NoSQL data stores, which include Cassandra, MongoDB, HBase, Neo4j, CouchDB, Redis, Oracle NoSQL, and almost all RDBMS. It has an extensive CRUD and query support built in for all the data stores with a layer of abstraction for the user. It follows an optimized persistence and data retrieval approach at the API level. It has support enabled for connection pooling, caching, and event handling. Support for data indexes is facilitated with help of Lucene and Elasticsearch. It additionally has extended support for several other frameworks like Spring, JBoss, OpenShift, etc. It allows schema generation for different supported data stores. And also, it facilitates lazy and eager fetching for the related data. There are several benefits of using Kundera. Multiple data stores can be used in one application as it is a polyglot object mapper. It is a JPA compliant solution, so you do not require to have the knowledge of specific NoSQL APIs. It enables easy switching of data stores without any code change but by a mere configuration modification. You can create secondary indexes by using already available Lucene or ES support, or simply build your own library and plugin. This was the video preview of Kundera. Please visit our website or write to us at kundera@impetus.co.in. You can also check out its video tutorial to find out how to use Kundera.